Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture we discussed some numerical problems. Today in this video we will also discuss some more numerical problems. The first numerical problem is that an object of 5 centimeter length, an object of 5 centimeter length, 5 centimeter length is placed at a distance of, is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter here of a convex mirror, of a convex mirror, of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30, of radius of curvature 30 centimeter, radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Here, find the position of the image. Find the position of image, its nature and size. Its nature and size. Clear? This type of questions we have done already. Now we see that the question is that an object of 5 centimeter length, means height is given that x naught equal to 5 centimeter, is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter, means object distance u equal to minus 20 centimeter, and radius of curvature for the convex mirror, as the mirror is convex mirror, radius of curvature will be positive. Here center, here R is given 30 centimeter, but in case of concave mirror, here pole, the radius of curvature is negative. But in our given questions, the mirror is convex mirror, hence radius of curvature will be R equal to 30 centimeter. Clear? We have to find the position of image, means V, and size of image, because the size of object is given, hence we can calculate the size of image. Hence, we have to calculate the size of image. Clear? Now, we know that the relation between focal length and the radius of curvature, f equal to r upon 2, f equal to 30 upon 2 equal to 15 centimeter, f equal to 15 centimeter. Clear? Now we get the object position, focal length, then by the mirror formula we can calculate the position of image. Hence, we see that by mirror formula 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u r. We have to calculate v, hence 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f plus 1 upon u. Now, we put the value of f and u. 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f is 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon u 1 upon 20. Clear? Hence, so 1 upon f equal to 1 upon 15 minus plus 1 upon 20. Clear? We see that the LCM of 15 and 20 will be 60. Hence, 1 upon f equal to here 60. 15 4 ja 60. 1 into 4 plus 23 ja 60. 1 into 3. So 1 upon v equal to here 4 plus 3 upon 60 or 1 upon v equal to 7 upon 60 or v equal to 60 upon 7 centimeter. Clear? Now we see that the magnification n equal to minus v upon u. Hence, n equal to minus 60 here 7 into u minus 20. Clear? Minus cancel out. N equal to 60 upon 7 into 20. This will cancel out. 2 3 is 6. Or m equal to 3 upon 7. Clear? The magnification is 3 upon 7. Now, we know that m equal to h I upon h naught. m equal to r, we can write here h I equal to m into h naught. Now, m is equal to 3 upon 7 and h naught equal to 5. h I equal to 3 5 is 15 upon 7. R we get converted into decimal, but we use it as usual 15 upon 7 centimeter. If you want to convert it, then you can convert h I equal to here 15 divided by 7. 7 to the 14, 1, 10. 7 1 the 7, 3, 30, 7 4 the 28. 10 minus that 2, 3 minus 23 means approximate 2.14 centimeter. Clear? Now we discuss the another question. The next question is that the next question is that an object of size 7 centimeter is placed. An object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. In front of a concave mirror. Here, of focal length 18 centimeter at what distance from the mirror, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? Should a screen be placed? Screen be placed so that a sharp focus image, so that a sharp focused image, a sharp focused image can be obtained. Focused image can be obtained. Here, find the size and the nature of image. Find the size and the nature of the image. Find the size and nature of the image. Clear? Now, first of all, we find that which data is given. After that, we apply the mirror formula and solve the questions. Clear? Now, we see that our given problem is that an object of size 7 cm means we have to given that the size of an object x naught equal to 7 cm is placed at 20 cm means object position is given minus 20 cm of a concave mirror of focal length 80 cm as the mirror is concave, hence focal length will be negative. F equal to minus 18 cm. Here we have to find the position of image V and size of object x naught. Here now we use the mirror formula for calculation. From the mirror formula, 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Now, so 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now we put the value 1 upon v equal to 1 upon f minus 18 minus 1 upon u. U minus 27. Minus 27. We see that 1 upon f equal to minus 1 upon 18 minus plus 1 upon 27. As we know that the LCM of 18 and 27 is 54. Hence 1 upon f equal to, we write here 54. 18 is a 54 minus 1 into 3 plus 17 is a 54. 1 into 2. Hence 1 upon f equal to minus 3 plus 2 upon 54. As you see that this is negative, this is positive, hence we subtract 2 from 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Hence 1 upon v, because we have to find out v. 1 upon v equal to minus 1 upon 54 or v equal to minus 54 centimeter. Clear? The image distance is at minus 54 centimeter. Now we will calculate the magnification of this question. M equal to minus v upon u, m equal to minus 54 upon minus u minus 27. Minus cancel out. 27 to the 54, m equal to minus 2. Now we have to calculate the size of, as the magnification is negative, hence the image part will be real and inverted. Now we will calculate the size of the image. M equal to hi upon s naught, or m equal to the hi is we have to calculate hi equal to m into s naught, or hi equal to m minus 2 into x naught 7. So hi equal to minus 14 centimeter. In this way we see that the image part will be real, inverted, and 2 times the size of an object at a distance of minus 54 centimeter from the pole of the concave mirror. Now in next video we will discuss the refraction of light. Thank you.